As you know me, my name is Arshit Kumawat, and in today's video I will tell you that my real situation, that on what extent corona has impacted on my MBA placement. So in today's video I will tell you about three things. First one is summer internship of 2020. Second one is the final placement of 2020, and third most important thing for you is that you should go for MBA or not in this year. So let's discuss about it without further delay. So I will give a brief intro before we proceed on our topic. I am pursuing PGDM diploma in retail marketing from Jims College, Rohini, New Delhi. And you should not you should know that there is a not major difference between diploma and the MBA program. So either you pursue your MBA program or a diploma, so not a major difference. So what happened in the month of Feb and March? As usual, many companies came to college, selected those students who possess the right kind of a quality according to their organization. Even companies are given date to them that on this date you can join our organization for summer internship, such as Patanjali, Tommy Hilfiger, Airtel, Aditya Birla. As usual, many companies come to colleges, so they came and hired the students, even provided them the particular date on which date you can join our organization. But after in the month of March, at the end week, when the lockdown has imposed in our country and we heard of this coronavirus, then most of the many companies revoked the decision that they will not able to provide the summer internship for 2020 students because of the lockdown. And college is also can't do anything when company denied in this situation. So what we did, we uh, adopt a new path for getting the certificate in our hand. We applied in those companies which are providing work from home internship. So we applied them, and they gave us work, just as some calling to some customers and research on the target audience, such as usual work they gave us, and they also gave the certificate in our hand. Now this time the classes of next trimester is also started online only, because most probably colleges will open in the month of September. So we did not face not major challenges when we need a internship. So let's talk about the second thing, that placement, final placement of 2020 students. As of now, you and me accept the situation and the reality that each and every industry has impacted from the coronavirus. But you should look at another perspective. Go into market, go into the job market. Lockdown is over, curfew is over, night curfew is over. Worst is almost over in India according to many sources. So now you should know in the market that many companies industries are on the recovery stages, because almost every industry are opening except the aviation industry. Might it will open few months late. So all the companies are on the stage of recovery, and many companies are started hiring the students or the right candidates who possess the right quality according to their organization. If you want to ensure yourself, just type on a Google or a YouTube on the article of Business Times. In Business Times they said that 35% activities jump in the month of July. So you can imagine you can look into the situation or in the job market, that almost many companies are started to hiring the uh, people. Or if you want, I tell you one thing that which is secretly in my college, one girl who is selected in the Times group in the month of July. Don't think about too much of that you should go for MBA or not. If you personally ask me this question, then you must go for MBA program, because if you want to if you want to check facts, then look into the recession of 2007. After in the when the recession came in 2007, in the 2009, the recovery and the demand is a huge for the management students, because companies will, when the laying of people or job worker, they will need the organization, the people, the resources after a period of a time. So in if you compare this situation, that if you go into go for MBA program in 2020, then after in you will pass out your MBA program in 2022. So that moment recovery will be 100%, not 100%, but at least recovery हो जाएगी, तो आपको इतना फेस challenges फेस नहीं करना पड़ेगा, as comparison to the students who are suffering from those students who are suffering, who will pass out 2020 year. So you should go for MBA for in this year 2020. And if you are sitting at home, I want to give a personal tips that you should focus on your weakness for a sum of a time. Just forget your strength for this time only.